Rope making at Guédelon Castle is a fascinating process that blends traditional craftsmanship with historical accuracy. The project at Guédelon Castle in France aims to build a medieval-style castle using only techniques and materials that would have been available in the 13th century. This includes crafting essential items like ropes, which were used extensively for construction, daily life, and even in defense mechanisms of the time. The rope-making process at Guédelon follows ancient methods, starting with the selection of natural fibers, such as hemp or flax, which were commonly used in medieval rope-making. These fibers are first harvested, cleaned, and prepared for spinning into threads. This preparation is crucial because the quality of the rope depends on the uniformity and strength of the individual fibers. Once the fibers are ready, they are twisted into strands, a process that requires skill and attention to detail. The twisting process involves using a hand-driven spinning wheel or a simple rope machine. The fibers are aligned and twisted tightly to create strong individual strands. The twist in the fibers helps them hold together, making the rope more durable and resistant to wear. The length and thickness of the rope depend on the specific requirements of the task at hand, whether it's for lifting, tying, or even for construction purposes, where it would be used to pull heavy stones or secure structures. A significant part of the process involves braiding or weaving the strands together. The rope maker carefully arranges multiple strands in a specific pattern to form a thicker and more resilient rope. At Guédelon, this step is often done by hand, with the artisan skillfully weaving the strands in a precise and methodical manner. The rope is then finished by adding a protective coating or treatment, often done by soaking it in oil or other natural substances to enhance its durability and resistance to the elements. Throughout the process, the artisans at Guédelon rely on techniques and tools that closely resemble those used in the Middle Ages. They do not use modern machinery, which ensures that the ropes they produce are as close to the historical versions as possible. This attention to authenticity is central to the mission at Guédelon, where historical accuracy is key. The process can be time-consuming and requires a great deal of patience, but it reflects the level of skill and craftsmanship that would have been present during the medieval period. The ropes produced at Guédelon serve multiple purposes. They are used in the construction of the castle, especially for lifting and securing heavy stones. The ropes are also used for other traditional activities, such as securing scaffolding or pulling construction materials. Beyond the practical applications, the process itself is a demonstration of the ingenuity and resourcefulness that were essential for construction in the medieval era. In addition to being a critical part of the construction process, rope making at Guédelon also serves as a living history lesson. Visitors to the castle can observe the techniques being used and learn about the historical context in which these methods developed. The artisans at Guédelon are not only preserving ancient craft, but also passing on the knowledge to future generations, ensuring that these traditions are not lost to time. Twisted cotton rope is crafted through an intricate process that ensures its strength, softness, and durability. At Ravenox, the production of twisted cotton rope begins with the careful selection of high-quality cotton yarn sourced from the finest cotton-growing regions worldwide. This commitment to premium raw materials guarantees that the finished rope possesses superior softness and strength. The manufacturing process starts with hundreds of tubes of dyed cotton yarn being placed into a creel, a frame that holds and organizes the yarn strands. These strands are then separated and twisted together to form an initial strand of rope. This twisting process is essential as it determines the final quality and structure of the rope. Once the yarn strands are formed, they are spun onto bobbins, creating larger strands known as hawsers. These hawsers serve as the core structure of the rope. To enhance durability and create the characteristic twisted cotton rope, the hawsers undergo another stage of twisting using a twisting machine. The key to a strong and resilient rope lies in the alternating twisting directions at each stage, a method known as, quote, hawser-laid rope. This alternating twist creates mutual friction between the fibers, providing the rope with exceptional strength and flexibility. Ravenox employs skilled rope makers with over 2 decades of experience to oversee every step of the manufacturing process. Their expertise ensures that the quality of the rope remains consistent and meets the highest industry standards. Different machines are used to produce ropes of varying thicknesses. For instance, a vertical twisting machine is used for larger ropes, such as 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch varieties. This machine requires 33 bobbins to form one strand of a triple twisted rope. Once the 3 hawsers are twisted together, the final cable is wrapped onto a large spool. For the most popular 1/2-inch twisted cotton rope, Ravenox utilizes a horizontal twisting machine. This machine combines 3 bobbins, allowing for custom tricolor rope designs. Customers can mix and match any 3 colors to create a unique rope. Additionally, Ravenox has specialized machines for producing customizable 1/4-inch cotton ropes, offering even more options for personalized designs. Once the rope is fully twisted and formed, it undergoes precise measurement and spooling. Different sizes of ropes are wound onto spools of various lengths to meet customer needs. For example, 1/4-inch rope is spooled in 600-foot and 1,200-foot lengths, while 1-inch rope is wound onto 250-foot spools. Some ropes are cut into specific lengths based on custom orders before being packaged and shipped to fulfillment centers for quick delivery. The rope manufacturing process at G. Vanderlee Rope Factory, a member of the Hendrik Vader Group since 2013, involves the production of high-quality natural and synthetic fiber ropes under ISO 9001 certification. Established in the 16th century, Vanderlee has a long history of rope-making expertise, catering primarily to the offshore, maritime, government, and defense sectors. At its Odewater production facility, the company manufactures a complete range of ropes, ensuring they are fabricated into final products and certified to meet industry standards. The process begins with the selection of raw materials, which can include natural fibers like hemp or manila, as well as synthetic materials such as nylon or polyester. These fibers are then spun into yarns, which are twisted or braided to create strands. The strands are subsequently woven or twisted together to form the desired rope structure, ensuring durability and strength. Once the ropes are produced, they undergo rigorous testing and certification to comply with industry regulations. This ensures that the final products meet high-performance requirements, particularly for demanding applications such as offshore rigging, maritime mooring, and specialized defense operations. For instance, the British Special Forces rely on Vanderlee's Absol ropes for their operations, highlighting the company's reputation for quality and reliability. In this video, you'll step back in time and see the historical way of making a lariat, just like the cowboys of the Old West. A lariat, also known as a cowboy rope, has been an essential tool for cattle wranglers for centuries. You'll see the entire process, from selecting and preparing the fibers, to twisting, braiding, and finishing the rope to create a durable, functional lasso. What makes this video extra special is that kids join in on the fun. They help with the twisting and braiding, learning the skills that cowboys once relied on every day. As they work with their hands, they gain a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and effort that goes into making something by hand, rather than buying it from a store. The best part? After all their hard work, each child gets to keep their very own handmade lariat. The smiles on their faces as they hold up their finished ropes show just how rewarding it is to create something useful with traditional skills. Whether you're a history buff, a cowboy enthusiast, or just love hands-on projects, this video is sure to inspire you to try making your own lariat. So saddle up and join us on this journey into the past, as we bring cowboy heritage to life, one rope at a time. A 12mm rope making machine is a specialized industrial equipment designed for manufacturing ropes with diameters ranging from 6mm to 12mm. This machine ensures high efficiency, precision, and consistency in rope production, making it an essential tool in industries like marine, construction, agriculture, and transportation. Technical specifications: rope range 6mm to 12mm strand flyer RPM, maximum 1200 rope flyer RPM, maximum 600 rope lay SNZ twist range 13 to 63 TPM, twists per meter, twist and strand, adjustable payoff package size, 250mm diameter x 300mm traverse take-up capacity. Approximately 25 kilograms, features versatile rope lay. The machine supports both S and Z lay configurations, providing flexibility for different rope applications. Adjustable twist range. The twist per meter, TPM, can be adjusted between 13 to 63, allowing the customization of rope strength and flexibility based on specific industry needs. Efficient strand twisting. The machine enables adjustable twisting and strands, ensuring proper binding and enhanced durability of the ropes produced. Optimized payoff and take-up mechanism. The machine accommodates a payoff package size of 250 mm diameter and 300 mm traverse, ensuring smooth material feeding. The take-up capacity of approximately 25 kilograms ensures efficient rope collection with minimal handling interruptions. Applications: marine and fishing industry, used for manufacturing durable ropes for boats and fishing nets. Construction and infrastructure, ideal for scaffolding ropes and lifting applications. Agriculture, suitable for making ropes used in farming and irrigation systems. Transportation and logistics, essential for securing loads and cargo transportation. Rope making is an ancient craft that has played a crucial role in human civilization, providing essential tools for sailing, construction, and agriculture. At the Museum of East Anglian Life in Stowmarket, Suffolk, visitors can witness the fascinating process of rope making using authentic 19th century equipment. The traditional method of rope making involves several key steps, all of which can be observed at the museum. The process begins with selecting natural fibers, typically hemp, flax, or sisal, which were commonly used in the 1800s. These fibers are first cleaned and combed to remove impurities and align them into long, smooth strands. The next step is spinning, where the fibers are twisted into yarns. This is done using a spinning wheel or a similar device that ensures consistency and strength. Once the yarns are prepared, they are taken to the rope walk, a long, narrow pathway designed for twisting fibers into rope. The Museum of East Anglian Life features an authentic rope walk, similar to those used in the 19th century, where visitors can see how strands of yarn are carefully twisted together using a hand-cranked machine. One of the most critical parts of rope making is laying up the strands. In this stage, multiple yarns are twisted together in the opposite direction to their initial twist, forming a strong and durable rope. The machine used for this process consists of a rotating wheel and hooks that help in intertwining the strands. The twist must be carefully controlled to ensure uniformity and prevent the rope from unraveling. Once the rope is formed, it is measured, cut, and sometimes treated with tar or wax for added durability, especially if it is intended for maritime use. In the 19th century, ropes were primarily used in farming, fishing, and shipping industries, making the craft a vital trade in East Anglia. New Zugspitze cable car, cable installation and cabin assembly. The new Zugspitze cable car is a remarkable engineering feat, set to be officially inaugurated on December 21, 2017. This state-of-the-art cableway replaces the historic Ibc cable car and will begin regular operations the following day. With record-breaking technical specifications, the new cable car offers an unparalleled experience for visitors traveling to Germany's highest peak. Following the decommissioning and dismantling of the old Ibc cable car, construction work at the site moved at an impressive pace. The installation of the massive cables, a critical phase of the project, took approximately 10 weeks to complete. This process required meticulous planning and execution, as the cables stretch over 4,500 meters and must support cabins traveling to the summit at an altitude of 2,962 meters. The assembly of the two running gears was another significant milestone in the project. These components ensure the smooth movement of the cable car cabins along the suspension cables. Given the extreme conditions at such high altitudes, engineers worked carefully to ensure precision and durability. Transporting and installing these heavy components posed considerable logistical challenges, requiring specialized equipment and expert coordination. Finally, the delivery and assembly of the new cable car cabins marked the last major step before commissioning. These cabins are designed for maximum passenger comfort, featuring panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of the Alps. With a capacity of 120 passengers per cabin, the new cable car can accommodate far more visitors than its predecessor, reducing waiting times and improving accessibility to the summit. The new Zugspitze cable car sets multiple world records, including the highest steel cableway support pillar and the longest unsupported cable span. It represents a groundbreaking achievement in alpine transportation and a new era for visitors to Germany's iconic peak. The project's completion demonstrates cutting-edge engineering and innovation, ensuring a safe and unforgettable journey to the top of Zugspitze. Bengal, known as the land of jute, has a rich history of crafting handmade jute ropes. Jute is a natural fiber cultivated extensively in the region, and its eco-friendly properties make it an excellent raw material for various products. The process of making handmade jute rope involves several intricate steps, including harvesting, retting, fiber extraction, spinning, and twisting. Each step requires skill and precision, often passed down through generations of artisans. The process begins with the cultivation of jute plants, primarily grown in the fertile alluvial soil of Bengal. Jute plants take about 4 to 6 months to mature, after which they are harvested. Farmers cut the stalks close to the ground and bundle them for the next crucial step, retting. Retting is a natural process in which the harvested jute stalks are soaked in stagnant or slow-moving water bodies for about 10 to 20 days. This allows microbial action to break down the sticky outer layer, separating the fibers from the woody core. Skilled workers then strip the fibers manually, wash them thoroughly, and dry them under the sun for a few days to enhance their strength and texture. Once dried, the fibers are combed and sorted based on their quality, length, and texture. The highest quality fibers, known as tosa jute, are used for making strong ropes, while lower-grade fibers are reserved for other applications, such as sacks and mats. Sorting ensures that only the finest fibers go into the rope-making process. Spinning is a critical step in the process. Traditionally, artisans use simple hand-operated spinning wheels to twist the jute fibers into yarn. This step requires expertise to maintain uniform thickness and strength. Modern setups may use mechanized spinning devices, but many rural artisans still prefer the traditional hand-spun method for its authenticity and durability. After spinning, the jute yarns are twisted together to form ropes of various thicknesses. This can be done manually or with simple machines. For stronger ropes, multiple strands are braided together, ensuring durability and resilience. The final product undergoes careful inspection to maintain quality standards. The finished ropes are trimmed to desired lengths and treated with natural oils or wax for added durability and water resistance. They are then coiled and stored in dry conditions to prevent moisture damage. Artisans sometimes dye the ropes, using natural or synthetic dyes to enhance their aesthetic appeal for decorative purposes. Handmade jute ropes from Bengal are highly sought after for their eco-friendly nature, biodegradability, and durability. They are used in agriculture, shipping, home decor, and handicrafts. Machine-Henghui Braiding Machine Company Limited is a distinguished manufacturer specializing in the production of high-performance braiding machines, including the advanced 8-strand marine rope braiding machine. This machine is specifically engineered to meet the rigorous demands of marine applications, producing robust and reliable ropes essential for maritime operations. The 8-strand marine rope braiding machine by Henghui is designed with several notable features. Compact design. The machine's space-saving structure allows for efficient utilization of floor space, making it suitable for various production environments. Ease of operation and maintenance. Engineered for user-friendliness, the machine simplifies both operation and maintenance processes, reducing downtime and enhancing productivity. High-speed production. Capable of operating at speeds up to 330 revolutions per minute, RPM. The machine ensures efficient production without compromising on quality. Versatile voltage compatibility, designed to accommodate various voltage requirements, including 380 volts, 220 volts, and 440 volts. The machine can be integrated into diverse electrical systems. Durable construction, utilizing top-class components, the machine boasts a long service life, ensuring sustained operational efficiency. Energy efficiency. With low horsepower requirements, the machine operates with reduced electricity consumption, leading to cost savings over time. Applications in the marine industry. The 8-strand marine rope braiding machine is adept at producing ropes with diameters ranging from 30 millimeters to 80 millimeters, making it ideal for various maritime uses. Mooring lines. The machine produces strong and durable ropes essential for securing vessels to docks or mooring buoys. Anchor ropes. The braided ropes are suitable for anchoring purposes, providing the necessary strength and reliability. Towing lines. The machine's output is also used in towing operations, ensuring safety and efficiency in vessel maneuvering. Henghui's commitment to quality and innovation. With over 40 years of expertise, Henghui has established itself as a leader in the global braiding machine market. The company's dedication to innovation is evident in their comprehensive range of products, which includes machines for braiding ropes, shoelaces, cables, and more. Their focus on quality is reflected in the design and performance of their machines, which are built to meet international standards and cater to the evolving needs of various industries. Henghui places a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction, offering a 1-year warranty on their machines. They provide comprehensive support, including detailed machinery test reports and video outgoing inspections, to ensure clients receive products that meet their expectations.